Good morning, everybody. My name is Patrick Hynes. I am Senior Manager for Research Communities at Stanford's Institute for Human-Centered AI, HAI. HAI's mission is to ensure a future where humanity benefits from AI and that those benefits are broadly shared. And I think that really succinctly explains why we're all here today. Because we all want to see a world in which humanity benefits from AI and that those benefits are broadly shared. So I have a couple quick remarks, but first I want to take you way back in time to 2023. In just 2 years, in 24 months, the summit has effectively doubled in size, and our discussions have evolved from imagining and envisioning AI-enriched classrooms to, again, just flash forward 2 years. We're in a place now where we're grappling with issues like the ethical dilemmas that accompany an AI classroom. And in just 2 years, we have moved from imagining a world in which AI is in the classroom to one in which, in the US, half of all K through 12 and undergraduate students are reporting that they use AI chatbots at least once a week or more. This velocity of change is pretty staggering. And that accelerated pace of change is precisely why summits like this one are incredibly valuable. Because listening to and learning from one another is critical if we're going to ensure that the benefits of AI are broadly shared. So over the course of the day, we'll explore how AI is being integrated across educational settings and examine how AI can serve as an ally for all learners, regardless of their background and resources. And if we want to work together to create educational environments that are, 1, enriched by AI, and 2, that prioritize the development of every learner, then yes, of course we need to move quickly, but we also need to listen and to learn from our colleagues across academia, industry, government, and civil society. And we're fortunate to have all of those interests represented in this room today. So I'm hopeful that today's conversations will ignite new partnerships, stimulate new directions in research, and drive us towards actionable solutions that we can implement in classrooms and communities across the globe. So thank you all for being here, and I'm really, really looking forward to the discussions today and from learning from everyone here in the room. And with that, I'll pass it over to Isabelle.
So I'm Isabelle Howe, and I have the great pleasure of working for the Stanford Accelerator for Learning, which is an initiative at the Graduate School of Education, seeking to bridge research and practice and accelerate a more effective and more joyful future of learning for all students. This event has been a great collaboration between my team and Stanford HAI now for the past 3 years. So today, what to expect? We have a lot of great sessions, some in large groups and then smaller group formats after lunch. We'll also have what we did last year, which came back from very, very high demand, our student posters, which have been setting up outside already this morning, as well as a new concept that we are bringing you today, the AI Tinkery, which is a space at the Graduate School of Education where we are inviting scholars and educators to come and tinker with AI tools. And now today, during lunchtime, we'll have our AI Tinkery pop-up. So come and check it out. So today we have 3 questions, 2 themes, and 1 goal. The 3 big questions of the day are, number 1, what is the future of learning that we all aspire to see? 2 is what really makes us uniquely human, and we'll start there actually with the first session on this topic. And how do we center humanity in our learning ecosystems as well as AI technology? And then 3, what is the role of research? How can research best serve this bright future of learning that we are hoping to see? The 2 themes are very connected. The first one is what I call the research imperative. We need to understand what works for whom, in what context. I think this is urgent. I think this is why you are all here at Stanford, to learn and to gather about what is the role of research and how can we understand what works. And then the second one, which you will hear, is one session on the future and many themes across the day. But the future is already here. It's very obvious to a lot of us here at Stanford that we are working on some amazing technologies that embeds AI with robotics now, with neurotech, with quantum. Anyway, lots of emerging themes that I hope you will take away from the day. And then one goal, as Patrick alluded to already, which is hopefully there will be sparks across the room, sparks through many learnings, many inspirations, and hopefully connections.